So this concludes the material for this course, and I now want to ask you specifically to do the course evaluation. This is how we can improve our course for next year. The comments we get from our students is something we really try to take into account into improving our model. Even if you're happy, just say that so we're not changing something that works well. Please give us the moment it takes to fill out that course evaluation when you get it. You will get it on email. It'll probably take you a minute to fill out, but it will help us a lot if you fill it out and complete it. Please do that. I also want to stress that yes, you need to work hard on the project. The project is going to be cumbersome. It's going to be hard. It's going to require a lot of time, and it's going to be quite frustrating. Work hard within reason on it. It should be a rewarding project. And if it's just getting into something that is taking over your life, you probably work too much on it, and you should reflect on that then. Finally, I would like to thank you for your attention and for the efforts you have made in this course, and I hope to see you in the continuing class on spectral analysis, as well as in one of our many interesting projects. The images here show several of the recent projects that I have been supervising. We have tons and tons more, so when you're looking for a cool thesis project, send me an email and I'll be more than happy to talk to you about it. Thank you, and good luck with both the project and the take-home.